Welcome to the latest drop from the Happy Planner. So I picked up the accessory book from the budget line. We're gonna open this baby up. So to the left, we have our sticky notes. This one say notes and things, so you could divide it into days of the week or bills you have to pay. Today, which bills you have to pay for today. Bill due, no spend challenge, which is awesome. And then we have the weekly spending, so you could keep track of your spending per day. And you have a great idea how much you spend in every day, which is really, really good for those of us that's trying to get on a budget for 2020. To the right, we have all the stickers. We have our saving stickers. All of this are saving stickers, and they even left blank spaces for you guys to put what exactly you saving for and how much you save for. And then they have a saving part right here. To the side, we have our pay stickers. When you pay something off, you could go ahead and put paid. We have our grocery list right here. Shopping, groceries, and paid. Your phone bills, internet, and TV. And to the side, we have bills that are due. Or if you're working, deadlines that's due. We have gas and electrical, and when they are due for more bills. We have our gasoline stickers, maybe auto insurance, auto repair, whichever you want to use it for. And then bills. Your debt, credit card debt, insurance. And bills that are due. This is perfect. It's very functional. Right here we have housing. All of this is housing stickers. So you could use it for rent, mortgage, or if you own your own house, things that needs to be repaired in the house, or maybe things you need to buy for the house, like furniture. So, because there is more than 12 in here. So, yeah. And then you have your colorful boxes right on the side. You also have your planning supplies. Oh, we budgeting for planning supplies in 2020. That's awesome because they do come out with a lot of stuff throughout the year. So that's pretty awesome. And then you have your boxes to the side. And then you have your blank boxes right through here and your list right in the middle. So yeah, you could definitely put bills that are due or things you need to do, or maybe bills that you want to lower throughout the year. You have your reminders right here, and then your list right through here, which is pretty awesome because you could also use this for maybe medical bills that's gonna start coming. And like with me, I'll probably use this for tolls. So I know there's a tolls bill that's gonna be coming my way soon. Right here you have upcoming events that's gonna cost you money. Maybe baby showers, wedding travels. All these things will cost money. Or if you're having a baby, upcoming expense, childcare. Then we have presents, birthdays, sports, and childcare. Music. I don't know what this is for, but I'm thinking if you could use it for a happy planner release, put it right there on your calendar. And entertainment, movie night. We have graduation, TV and phone, and medical bill. More medical bill, the Happy Planner supplies, and travel. Eating out or restaurant will be right here, and drinks or coffee if you into coffee. I would use this as my rainy day fund or your sinking fund, or you could use it as your water bill, garbage, and I will use this as my tolls stickers because I've been taking a lot of tolls lately and I have to pay for it. We have rent due, taxes due, bills due, and then you have stars right through the middle. Next up, mortgage, rent, budget review, your goals, savings review. Oh, it's awesome that they have a savings review. That's pretty neat. Because 2020, we're going to get our finances right. And then you have some quotes here. I need to find a hobby that don't include my debit card, like, yeah, the Happy Planner supply stuff. Priority over conveniences. I just want to get to a place financially where adding guacamole isn't a big decision. So yeah, this is a very functional sticker book for those of us that is into budgeting, especially for 2020. Let's get our finances right and start saving some money and spend money on things that we do enjoy instead of paying a bunch of bills. So next up, we have the accessory book for the exercise, sweat, smile, and repeat. So if you into fitness for 2020, this is perfect. So to the left of us, we have our sticky notes. So it say this week at a glance. You can put your exercises, or even when you're going to go to the gym, your dinner plans, and your habit tracker, maybe water intake. Then we have eat well, feel good, time to sweat, work it out, and work out. Now we have some colorful boxes. It just say workout, and in here I would definitely put what exercise I did. Like if I'm working on upper extremity exercises, lower extremity exercises, some cardio or strength, I just jot it down here so I know what I'm doing in the gym, so I'm not doing the same exercise over and over and over again, so you keep track of it. So that's what I put in there, and you could even go further and put how many reps are you doing or pounds. So yeah, these are all colorful boxes, so we're gonna flip through these. Uh-oh. Oh, this is a pretty color. All right, so right here it say get a girl, eat well, work it out, no excuses. Nobody is perfect. Progress, not perfection. Be nice to yourself. Make healthy a habit. And then you have your results, your summary for the week, how you did. And if you have to reschedule, y'all. So right here, we have our meals for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, what you ate, because exercise have to do a lot with what you're eating. That's how you get the best results. Right here, it says a healthy outside starts from the inside. Strength is beauty. Wake up, beauty. It's time to be on beast mode. Sweat, smile, and repeat. Don't quit. Fall in love with taking care of your body. Oh, yes. One day at a time. Change nothing and nothing will change. Oh, that's so powerful. Then you got some lists right here, which is awesome. Just get out and go, y'all. If you don't want to exercise, as soon as you get to that gym, you're gonna work out. You just have to get out the door and you do it. And this is step by step. Maybe if you're just getting into exercising, you could put what you're gonna do, how many days you're gonna do it, and your results. So you have a action plan. So yeah, these are the 2 things I picked up from the new drop from the Happy Planner line that I feel that I will be using, because I am gonna exercise for 2020 more, because I do exercise now, and then definitely the budget, because yeah, I like to save money and I would like to know where my money is going. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and leave a comment. Let me know what you guys are picking up from the new release. And goodbye. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.